Canceling an extended warranty policy is a pretty easy process. If you sell the vehicle or no longer have interest in the warranty, you can contact CarChecks. We will send out a cancellation form, typically via email. On the cancellation form, there's an email address, a fax number. You fax that back to us, and we'll cancel out your contract. We'll contact the administrator of the contract's been canceled. We'll contact the finance company if indeed you're financing. So we take care of everything for our customers. If, unfortunately, the contract is canceled by default with the finance company, we have a department here set up specifically for that particular situation. We can get the customer to get reinstated by contacting the administrator, contacting the finance company. That's something we do on behalf of our customers. We do not ask the customers to go through that process.